Hi guys, just coming to you today to show you my washing machine, which is really great, and it's also a tip if you have lots of animals and they shed fur, or if you live in a place where there's lots of dirt and you can get your filter clogged up. This particular model, it's a Samsung VRT. It's a high efficiency model, and it has all the different settings. Okay, so it's a front loader. It's got quite a big size in there in the drum, which is great for doing blankets and whatnot. In here you can see, well, it's a little dirty, but there's 3 sections for bleach, fabric softener, and your laundry detergent. On the bottom of the machine is this handy access, and you just press it, and that is where the filter is. Now, let me just twist it, and you have to put something down because usually water ends up coming out. But this is what could save you money on buying a machine, if you get one where you can access the filter. If you're not mechanically inclined and don't want to take off the whole back of a machine, this is perfect. And this was on sale. This was years ago on a Black Friday sale at Home Depot. And as you can see, look at all that. All that. So I'll just take the rest of that out, and then you just twist it back in. In normal machines, you can't get at that filter. And you, like I said, you have to take off the back. So this is really handy. Okay, so I've cleaned it out, and it's clockwise to screw it back in, and to, the other way to take it off, and it just flips shut, and it's done. First thing you do is turn the power on, and then it'll weigh out whatever you put in there. Okay, it's full of clothes. Okay, so I put in the laundry soap, a little bit of fabric softener, and a whole whack of bleach. And this is something for the cats. So what I'm going to do is I always put it on heavy duty for them. And I select extra rinse and cold water and heavy duty cycle. And then start. Start button's over here. I had a little snafu because I didn't close the door properly. That's me. Anyways, here we go again. It saves in the memory what cycle you had last. Apparently there is an app that you can use with these machines. But it's a pretty quiet machine overall. Pretty quiet. And it's got that kind of mode where it knows how much water to put in, and to save water as well. Still got a ways to go because it's got an extra rinse. This is about the noisiest it gets. So that is a little tune it plays when it is finished. You can shut that off if you want to, and it will beep intermittently also to tell you and remind you that the cycle has stopped, and after a while it will completely shut off, and then you have to press the power button again to open the door. So I'm just going to take these out, put them in the dryer. So this is a big stack of laundry that was done, one load in this machine. And I would suggest, if you have a lot of pets and you use sheets and blankets to cover your furniture and stuff like that, that getting, doesn't have to be a Samsung, but one that has a filter that you can get at and remove the debris will save you money down the line for sure, because it did so for me. I went through 2 machines where all that dirt worked its way into the motor and just shot the whole machine, whereas with this one I can clean out the filter as often as I want and prolong the life of the machine. Anyways, I hope this helps somebody out there, and thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it.